You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly and clarify the pronunciation, or should I say pronunciations, if you want to learn more pronunciations that are confusing like this, especially including from French. Stay tuned. The French pronunciation, Sevres, which is a suburb of Paris, also an area of France. Sevres. In English, it's also used as a type, it's known as being a type of porcelain. Sevres is the American English pronunciation in particular. Sevres, Sevres, because it comes from French. Sevres, the S is silent. Sevres, French pronunciation, English pronunciation, Sevres. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.